Jakarta, the capital of Southeast Asia's largest economy, today brought to its knees because of rising floodwaters. Cars have broken down, and motorcycles have been left stranded in roads that have turned into rivers. Jakartans are used to dealing with floods. This happens every year because of the torrential rains. But this time, even the usually immune central business district has been affected.
This is the central business district in Jakarta. Now, this part of the city isn't usually so badly affected by the heavy flooding that accompanies the seasonal rains. But this time round, you can see for yourself, this city has been paralyzed, as many parts of Jakarta have also been because of the rains. Officials have warned that over the next few days, the rains will continue to increase, and that could mean that floodwaters here and around Jakarta will continue to rise.
Security staff are preparing for the worst, lining up entrances of their buildings with sandbags. The floods are also affecting business in the capital city. Many Jakartans have struggled to get to work, and offices and schools have been forced to close.
I'm really sad. I'm trying to reach my store, but there's no transport. There are no trains, and not even any motorbikes. I'm feeling really lost, but I'm going to keep going until I get to my destination.
Jakarta is no stranger to natural disasters. In 2007, dozens died because of heavy flooding, and more than 300,000 people were evacuated from their homes. But people here complain that the government hasn't done enough to upgrade the infrastructure in the city and protect its citizens from what could be an avoidable calamity. Karishma Viswani, BBC News, Jakarta.
Telah mengakibatkan banjir dalam 2 hari terakhir, tambah parah yang jelas. Berdasarkan data Direktorat Lalu Lintas Polda Metro Jaya, 27 ruas jalan di Jakarta Kamis kemarin terendam banjir. Titik banjir terbanyak ada di Jakarta Barat.
Titik-titik banjir yang melanda wilayah Jakarta diantaranya wilayah Jakarta Selatan, Jalan Haji Abdul Safi Tebet, Jakarta Utara di Jalan Kramat Jaya, Jakarta Pusat, Jalan Ben Hill, Tamrin, Sudirman, Jakarta Timur seperti Jatinegara dan Otista Raya. Sementara di wilayah Jakarta Barat terdapat 22 titik banjir, beberapa diantaranya di Jalan Daan Mogot, Jalan Raya Puri Kembangan, Jalan Es Parman depan Trisakti, Meruya arah Joglo, Kembangan.
Inilah video amatir yang beredar di situs YouTube, menggambarkan arus air yang mengalir ke dalam basement di gedung Plaza UOB di Jalan MH Tamrin, Jakarta Pusat, Kamis siang. Akibat tsunami, air keruh berwarna coklat ini mengalir sangat deras. Diduga air berasal dari jebolnya tanggul di Jalan Latuhar Hari, Jakarta Selatan. Dalam rekaman juga terlihat kedua orang dari tim SAR yang mencoba masuk ke dalam gedung dengan menarik tali dan tandu dari pintu gerbang Plaza UOB. Hingga kini tim SAR dan polisi masih mencari korban yang terjebak di dalamnya. Diduga masih ada 4 pegawai gedung Plaza UOB yang terjebak di basement. Semula ada 5 orang yang terjebak, seorang diantaranya adalah Abdul Hakim yang berhasil selamat. Diduga 2 orang korban berprofesi sebagai petugas kebersihan gedung, seorang lainnya pegawai parkir gedung, dan seorang lagi adalah sopir kendaraan yang tengah parkir.